This is Bochum House by Stanza Living. Located in the prime vicinity of Bellandur, this place promises ease of connectivity like nothing else. Tech parks like the RMZ Eco Space and Brookfield are also right around the corner. Also, if you're in a mood for a movie, PVR Central Spirit Mall is right across the street as well. Come, let's show you around. Security check-ins were never this easy. With our 24/7 security system, best believe that you're in safe hands. Now as you make an entrance, you're greeted with an enormous dining and a common area with a TV, which also is a high-speed Wi-Fi zone, so that you can enjoy your favorite shows or movies while you have some lip-smacking food. Here, the meals are prepared fresh and super hygienic, and while all your meals are on us, our kitchen comes bearing all your cravings as well. Next up, we take the elevator and make our way past the water station. And here you go. Your bedroom is spacious, suited to your taste and beautifully designed for your productivity and relaxation. A comfortable bed, a study table, cupboard, and an attached bathroom that's always kept fresh. Now as we further head upstairs, we reach the terrace. Hang back and relax at this hangout corner right up on the terrace. Hang out with your friends or make some new ones. Indulge in a game of carom or foosball and make the most of your time. We know we have convinced you. So come, live that stanza life. Bochum House is waiting for you.